In search of better customer service and increasing efficiency, distribution center managers seek a flexible, scalable solution for high-moving products that meets the increasing speed and demands of the market. Bastian Solutions provides this answer in pick-to-light systems, powered by our Exacta software. Increased product flow can be difficult for manual processes to overcome, and delays or errors can cause a chain of events that leads to lasting customer dissatisfaction. Pick-to-light is ideal for high-order volume products and fast, accurate order completion. Easily integrated with warehouse system software, you gain visibility on fulfillment operations and worker productivity. Here's how it works. A sequence of work is received in the system software. Operators scan a container ID to initiate picking. The lights located in the pick module illuminate with quantities of each item to pick. The work indicator will display container ID. The operator places the items picked into the container. With a press of a button, the operator confirms the completed task. The operator moves on to the next set of tasks, and the system software is updated in real time. Benefits of Pick-to-Light. Works with existing facility layout and labor force for a low-cost automated solution. Quick ROI automated solution. Easy install with low disruption. 99.5% plus accuracy and increased visibility. Increased productivity of staff and less dwell time. Simple to learn with 30 to 45-minute operator training. Expandable to fit growing businesses. Easy integration into larger fulfillment systems for greater efficiency. Bastian Solutions can help drive your company to a more precise, effective, and productive operation with Pick-to-Light systems. For more information, talk to an engineer at bastiansolutions.com.